out so others wouldn't see the storm you hid inside the sea. You tried so hard to be the light, even when you had no fight. You walked on aching, trembling ground, but still you held the world around. No one knew the cost you paid, the tears that never left your face. You learned to survive, to stand alone, to call your heart a silent home. But now, my love, it's time to see you're safe enough to simply be. Be gentle with yourself. You've carried so much weight. You don't have to hurry now. There's no need to be great. Just breathe here for a moment. Let your tired heart rest. You've done enough. You've given all. You deserve gentle tenderness. Put down the voice that says be more. You don't have to reach that distant shore. You don't have to earn a right to stay. Your place was here anyway. You are not your past mistakes, not the cracks or the heartbreaks. You are the soft surviving flame, the love that stayed when fear came. And if you falter, if you fall, you are still worthy through it all. Let your shoulders loosen now. You are safe, I'll show you how. You were never meant to stand alone. You are loved, you are known. Be gentle with yourself. You've carried so much weight. You don't have to hurry now. There's no need to be great. Just breathe here for a moment. Let your tired heart rest. You've done enough. You've given all. You deserve gentleness. Slow down. Come home. Your heart is not alone. Slow down. You're safe here. Let the silence draw you near. One day you'll look back and see how strong it was to simply be. Not every storm must be survived. Some are only meant to be cried. You are the ocean wide and deep. You are the memories you keep, but also every dawn anew, every soft and shining hue. So let this moment hold you whole. Let the music calm your soul. No more striving to be enough. No more armor, no more tough. Just you, just breath, just quiet peace. Let the wave of healing ease. Be gentle with yourself. You've carried so much weight. You don't have to hurry now. There's no need to be great. Just breathe here for a moment. Let your tired heart rest. You've done enough. You've given all. You deserve gentle tenderness. You deserve gentle tenderness. Hand in hand by the shore, we don't need anything more. The waves sing softly like they've been here before. Your heart next to mine in the hush of the day. Love doesn't ask, it just finds its way. walk slow where the sand meets the tide. No rush, no hurry, just being by your side. The breeze carries salt across your skin. I smile without trying, peace begins. You don't talk loud, you don't pretend. Your love feels like my oldest friend. The world is wide and full of sound, but here with you I'm safe and found. The seagulls circle in endless loops. Children laugh in distant groups, but our steps fall soft and light, like clouds drifting in fading light. I used to search for something strong, something loud, something lifelong, but now I know the quiet truth. Love is gentle, simple, smooth. Hand in hand by the shore, we don't need anything more. The waves sing softly like they've been here before. Your heart next to mine in the hush of the day. Love doesn't ask, it just finds its way. Fingers fit between mine just right, not too tight, not holding with might, just enough to say I'm here, without a word, whispering clear. Some loves burn hot and fade too fast, but this one feels like it's meant to last. Not a fire but a steady glow, warm enough to help flowers grow. I look at you and see no mask, no need to prove, no test, no task, just two souls resting by the sea, breathing slow and easily. And if tomorrow brings a storm, we'll hold each other safe and warm. For love like this don't break or bend, it knows how to start where others end. Hand in hand by the shore, we don't need anything more. The waves sing softly like they've been here before. Your heart next to mine in the hush of the day. Love doesn't ask, it just finds its way. No rush, no fear, just you right here. Love whispers soft and near. And when the sky turns pink and gold and the evening air grows still and cold, we slow our steps and stand a while, watching the horizon rise in style. Your shoulder lightly touching mine, the moment sweet and undefined. Nothing claimed and nothing owed, just hearts resting in open road. If someone asks me what love means, I point to these quiet scenes. Not fireworks or crashing waves, but how your presence softly saves. I don't need a promise to stay, I don't need the perfect words to say. We simply are, and that's enough. Love can be tender, gentle, and tough. Hand in hand by the shore, we don't need anything more. The waves sing softly like they've been here before. move slowly through the sky. The memories of yesterday, I let them softly drift away. New steps form on open ground, a steady rhythm all around. The sunshine kissed my waking skin, a brand new life again begin. Morning blessings shine on me, soft light dancing through the trees. New day rising, calm and free. Your love waking gently. Morning blessings stay a while, keep my heart in gentle smile. Through the day and through the night, guide me with your tender light. Hold this moment softly, please don't let it go. The night is warm and quiet, moving slow. Even if tomorrow changes everything we know, tonight just stay and let love flow. Your hand resting gentle in mine, no need for words or any sign. The moon lays silver on your hair, the world feels like the air so fair. We don't promise, we don't pretend, we just breathe here friend to friend. But in my heart I feel it clear, I want you close, I want you near. Hold this moment softly, please don't let it go. The night is warm and quiet, moving slow. Even if tomorrow changes everything we know, tonight just stay and let love flow. Your eyes look far as if they see a place you're going meant to be. And though I know you cannot stay, I love you still in this gentle way. The ocean hum below the stars, we're different roads but here we are. Two hearts resting side by side, just for now, no need to hide. Don't speak, just feel. Don't ask, just heal. Let the silence be real. Hold this moment softly, please don't let it go. The night is warm and quiet, moving slow. Even if tomorrow changes everything we know, tonight just stay and let love flow. Maybe love is not a chain, not something we must hold or claim. Maybe love is gentle air, a quiet warmth we choose to share. So if you go when morning breaks, I'll keep this peace that love creates. No tears fall, no hearts torn, just gratitude for what was born. Hold this moment softly, morning sun, beautiful brief already gone. When the night won't stay and the dawn comes slow, I try to smile but the tears still know. Even if we were never meant to remain, I'm grateful for love in the soft falling rain. The morning breeze across my face reminds me gently of your grace. The way you laugh, the way you sigh, the way you try not to cry. We held each other like borrowed time, like music fading down the line. A moment carved in golden sand, a quiet warmth in open hands. I won't chase the past or ask for more. Some love left just on the shore. The tide rolls in, the tide rolls out, but what I felt I never doubt. When the night won't stay and the dawn comes slow, I try to smile but the tears still know. Even if we were never meant to remain, I'm grateful for love in the soft falling rain. Don't speak, I know some love still grow, even when it has to go. The daylight spreads across the sea, painting over memory. But pieces stay, they always do. A scent, a sound, a shade of blue. Maybe love is not to keep, but something planted deep. A seed of warmth when days are cold, a story soft and never told. If someone asks of you someday, I'll smile in a quiet way. Not with sorrow, not with pain, but with love that still remains. When the night won't stay and the dawn comes slow, I try to smile but the tears still know. Even if we were never meant to remain, I'm grateful for love in the soft falling rain. So go where your heart must roam, my love, my light, my gentle home. And I'll remember when skies turned gray, how we loved, even when night couldn't stay. After the rain fell quiet, I could hear my heart again. Soft light breaking through the clouds, washing away the pain. No need to be strong right now, just breathe and let it stay. Peace arrives in gentle steps after the rain fades away. The window cried with silver lines. I sat in silence, counting time. The world felt heavy, cold and gray, with things I never got to say. But slowly, drop by drop, it passed. The storm was never meant to last. And in the hush that followed near, I found a place to hold my tears. After the rain fell quiet, I could hear my heart again. Soft light breaking through the clouds, washing away the pain. No need to be strong right now, just breathe and let it stay. Peace arrives in gentle steps after the rain fades. The streets reflect a shining glow, like the world decided to take it slow. Leaves all shimmer with morning sighs. A small new hope begins to rise. I thought that breaking meant the end, breaking taught my heart to mend. The pieces soften into one under this pale returning sun. Breathe in, let go. The sky remembers how to glow. No rush, no need. The heart will learn what it needs. After the rain fell quiet, I could hear my heart again. Soft light breaking through the clouds, wishing away the pain. No need to be strong right now, just breathe and let it stay. Peace arrives in gentle steps after the rain fades away. We don't forget and we don't erase, but tenderness takes sorrow's place. A gentle hand upon the soul turns empty spaces into whole. So let the raindrops have their time, and let the tears fall into rhyme. The heart can bloom from where it broke, like flowers rising through the smoke. After the rain fell quiet, I could hear my heart again. Soft light breaking through the clouds, washing away the pain. No need to be strong right now, just breathe and let it stay. Peace arrives in gentle steps after the rain fades away. And when the clouds return someday, I'll know the storm will drift away. For I have learned the gentle way to find the light after the rain. No shout, oh. Miles of quiet love between us now, but I still feel your heartbeat somehow. No matter where you lay your head tonight, my love travels to you with the morning light. I sit beside the open window frame, the air still whispers your gentle name. The evening sky is painted blue and gold, but the room feels large and cold. Your sweater hangs across the chair, your scent still floating in the air. I touch the fabric soft and thin, pretending your arms are wrapped again. We used to laugh at nothing loud, we didn't need a single crowd, just you and me and the soft sea breeze, sharing dreams with gentle ease. Now silence fills the space we kept, where your laughter once softly slept. My soul, hours of quiet love between us now, but I still feel your heartbeat somehow. No matter where you lay your head tonight, my love travels to you with the morning light. The moon climbs slowly up the sky, reminding me of how time can fly. Do you see the same moon where you are? Does it touch your heart from afar? I imagine you walking streets unknown, searching the world not yet your own. Your voice still echoes in my mind, soft and warm and always kind. Every memory a gentle wave, not something heavy I try to save, just a presence that stays with me, like footprints fading by the sea. Even distance cannot take what's true. I still feel close when I think of you. Miles of quiet love between us now, but I still feel your heartbeat somehow. No matter where you lay your head tonight, my love travels to you with the morning light. Some nights I wake before sunrise with quiet tears inside my eyes. Not from sorrow, not from pain, just missing you like summer rain. The kind that falls so soft and slow, you barely feel it come and go, but still it washes through your chest, gently urging you to rest. I hold a pillow in my sleep, imagining secrets we used to keep. Your laugh, your sigh, your steady tone, no one else could make me feel so known. Even now the world's away, your love returns like break of day. No rush, no cry, just love passing by. No fear, no claim, just whisper in your name. Miles of quiet love between us now, but I still feel your heartbeat somehow. No matter where you lay your head tonight, my love travels to you with the morning light.
One day when our roads align, we'll share this love we left behind. Not to fix or to replace, but to honor the quiet space. Two souls who stay gentle and true, even with oceans between the view. Love doesn't vanish when time is long, it sings in silence like a song. I don't need a promise or plan, just to know you're still who I ran into when the world moved slow, when the tide was high and the moon hung low. If we meet again in some quiet space, I'll know you instantly by light in your face. Miles of quiet love between us now, but I still feel your heartbeat somehow. No matter where you lay your head tonight, my love travels to you with the morning light. My love travels to you with the morning light.
Goodbye. Thank you for the light you gave to me. Even though your voice is lost to the sea, I carry you softly in all that I do. This life is brighter because of you. Ooh, goodbye. I remember the morning coffee steam, the way you laughed and made the world feel clean. Your hands were gentle, your words were few, but every moment felt warm and true. You didn't promise forever or stay, you just loved in your quiet way. Some love shots loud to prove it's real, but yours was soft enough to heal. I didn't know at the time it shined, but now I see it in my mind. Little kindness in every day, the things you did, the things you'd say. And though the road is turned and curved, your memory rests like something preserved. Not heavy to hold, not painful to keep, just resting inside me, quiet and deep. Thank you for the light you gave to me. Even though your voice is lost to the sea, I carry you softly in all that I do. This life is brighter because of you. Thank you for the love you left behind. It lives in my heart, gentle and kind, forever and ever, steady and true. I still walk with the light of you. Sometimes I pass the places we knew, the old stone wall, the sky so blue. The ocean waves come soft and slow, like they already understand and know. I speak your name into the air, not expecting you to be there, but something answers anyway. The wind, the tide, the gentle sway. I don't cry because you're gone, I cry because the love lives on. Nothing lost, nothing broken apart, just written forever inside the heart. Some people stay without staying near, they remain in how we love and hear. And though you walk a different shore, you're still with me forevermore. Thank you for the light you gave to me. Even though your voice is lost to the sea, I carry you softly in all that I do. This life is brighter because of you. Thank you for the love you left behind. It lives in my heart, gentle and kind, forever and ever, steady and true. I still walk with the light of you. No goodbye, no regret. What we were is living yet. Seasons change and the days move on, but something gentle still lingers strong. In the quiet moments, late at night, I feel your presence soft and light. Not as long and not as ache, but love that time could never break. You showed me how to breathe again, how to trust the sun after rain, how to hold the small things dear, how to live with less of fear. So if the world should feel too wide, I close my eyes and find you inside. Not a ghost, not a shadow, not gone, but steady love I still rely on. Thank you for the light you gave to me. Even though your voice is lost to the sea, I carry you softly in all that I do. This life is brighter because of you. Thank you for the love you left behind. It lives in my heart, gentle and kind, forever and ever, steady and true. I still walk with the light of you. I still walk with the light of you. Even if you're far across the sea, your heart still walks right here with me. No distance strong enough to break the gentle love we choose to make. Ooh, ooh, watch the tide roll in at dawn. The shoreline soft, the night withdrawn. I think of how you used to stand, your footprints close beside my hand. The sky was quiet, the air was warm, our love unspoken, deep and form. We didn't need to try or prove. Just breathe in time, just gently move. Some days I feel you in the breeze, your voice a whisper through the trees. Not calling back, not begging, stay. Just a reminder, love finds a way. I learned that closeness isn't touch, it's knowing someone loves you much. And though you walk through distant lands, I still feel you inside my hand. I'm here, still near. Even if you're far across the sea, your heart still walks right here with me. No distance strong enough to break the gentle love we choose to make. Ooh, hey. Maybe you wake where new stars shine, where the nights are not the same as mine. Maybe the streets sing different songs, maybe the days feel wide and long. But somewhere quiet deep inside, a part of us still coincides. Not loud, not sharp, not fierce, not bold, but warm as blankets in the cold. Love doesn't vanish when miles divide, it lingers softly at your side. I speak your name into the night, the wind carries it into your light. No need for promises to keep, no vow to hold, no tears to weep. Just gentle truth that softly stays. We loved each other in quiet ways. I feel you still, you still. Even if you're far across the sea, your heart still walks right here with me. No distance strong enough to break the gentle love we choose to make. Ooh, One day paths may cross again, maybe here, maybe then. But I don't wait and I don't chase. Love remains, it keeps its place. Not chained or held or tightly bound, but resting soft, safe and sound. Oh. You taught me love can simply be a calm, unspoken melody. And when the nights feel wide and cold, I let your memory unfold. Not sorrow, not heavy, not filled with ache, just something warm that doesn't break. So wherever your footsteps roam, know you always have a home. Not a doorway, not a key, but a space inside of me. calls your name? Do you pause sometimes and think of before? Or did you leave it all at the closing door? I don't need answers, I don't need proof. I just hope your days are honest and smooth. We don't have to meet where we once stood. Some endings are gentle, misunderstood. Our time was quiet, our hearts were true. Even if life led us into something new, love doesn't vanish, fade or bend. Sometimes it just changes form like wind. I send a message on the wind tonight. Hope it finds you safe and warm and right. No need for sorrow, no need to explain. Some love remains soft even through the pain. I walked near the shoreline late last week. The waves sounded like you're trying to speak. Not calling me back, not asking me near. Just saying I'm still part of you here. Sometimes love is not to hold. Sometimes love is just to unfold. Like sunrise melting into day. We watch it pass but we're okay. There were moments I wished you'd stay, but wishing ain't living, it gets in the way. So I keep the warmth and let go the rest. Only the love, only the best. And if the wind touches your skin someday, maybe you'll feel what I meant to say. Not to return, not to resume. Just you mattered and you still bloom. I send a message on the wind tonight. Hope it finds you safe and warm and right. No need for sorrow, no need to explain. Some love remains soft even through the pain. No chase, no cling, just love on the wind. Life moves forward gentle and slow, and we learn the ways the heart can grow. We plant small seeds in days gone past, not knowing which ones were meant to last. Some bloom early, some bloom late. Some we water, some leave to fade. But yours still grows somewhere inside. Not loud, not wild, just soft and wide. When the evenings turn cool and the sky grows clear, I close my eyes and feel you near. Not in longing, not in ache, just a warmth no time can take. You were a chapter, a quiet song, short or long. It was strong, and I sent my care across the sea. Wherever your wandering feet may be, I send a message on the wind tonight. Hope it finds you safe and warm and right. No need for sorrow, no need to explain. Some love remains soft even through the pain. Even through the distance, even through time, your memory rests gentle, steady and kind. Morning glory, shine on me. Soft light dancing through the trees. New day rising, calm and free. Your love waking gently. The air is warm, the sky so clear. I breathe it in and feel you near. The waves still whisper on the shore. A quiet peace I can't ignore. No hurry now, no need to run. The morning glow already as they sing a gentle hymn, soft and sweet from limb to limb. The night is gone, the shadows fade, a brand new rhythm softly made. I open up my hands and soul. Today I let the healing flow. No weight to carry in my mind, only peace I hope to find. Oh Jah, I thank you for this grace, this quiet light upon my face. The world's still turning slow and kind. Your love is steady in my mind. I walk this day with open heart, no fear to end, no fear to start. Morning blessing pure and true, my spirit rests in you. Morning blessing shine on me, soft light dancing through the trees. New day rising, calm and free. Your love waking gently. A gentle breeze, a hopeful sigh. The clouds move slowly through the sky. The memories of yesterday, I let them softly drift away. New steps form on open ground, a steady rhythm all around. The sunshine kiss my waking skin, a brand new life again begin. Morning blessing shine on me, soft light dancing through the trees. New day rising, calm and free. Your love waking gently. Morning blessings stay a while, keep my heart in gentle smile. Through the day and through the night, guide me with your tender light. Hold this moment softly, please don't let it go. The night is warm and quiet, moving slow. Even if tomorrow changes everything we know, tonight just stay and let love flow. Your hand resting gentle in mine, no need for words or any sign. The moon lays silver on your hair, the world feels like the air so fair. We don't promise, we don't pretend, we just breathe here friend to friend. But in my heart I feel it clear, I want you close, I want you near. Hold this moment softly, please don't let it go. The night is warm and quiet, moving slow. Even if tomorrow changes everything we know, tonight just stay and let love flow. Your eyes look far as if they see a place you're going meant to be. And though I know you cannot stay, I love you still in this gentle way. The ocean hum below the stars, we're different roads but here we are. Two hearts resting side by side, just for now, no need to hide. Don't speak, just feel. Don't ask, just heal. Let the silence be real. Hold this moment softly, please don't let it go. The night is warm and quiet, moving slow. Even if tomorrow changes drop by drop it passed. The storm was never meant to last. And in the hush that followed near, I found a place to hold my tears. After the rain fell quiet, I could hear my heart again. Soft light breaking through the clouds, washing away the pain. No need to be strong right now, just breathe and let it stay. Peace arrives in gentle steps after the rain fades. The streets reflect a shining glow, like the world decided to take it slow. Leaves all shimmer with morning sighs. A small new hope begins to rise. I thought that breaking meant the end, but breaking taught my heart to mend. The pieces soften into one under this pale returning sun. Breathe in, let go. The sky remembers how to glow. No rush, no need. The heart will learn what it needs. After the rain fell quiet, I could hear my heart again. Soft light breaking through the clouds, washing away the pain. No need to be strong right now, just breathe and let it stay. Peace arrives in gentle steps after the rain fades away. We don't forget and we don't erase, but tenderness takes sorrow's place. A gentle hand upon the soul turns empty spaces into whole. So let the raindrops have their time, and let the tears fall into rhyme. The heart can bloom from where it broke, like flowers rising through the smoke. After the rain fell quiet, I could hear my heart again. Soft light breaking through the clouds, washing away the pain. No need to be strong right now, just breathe and let it stay. Peace arrives in gentle steps after the rain fades away. And when the clouds return someday, I'll know the storm will drift away. For I have learned the gentle way to find the light